My DML speakers that took about a half hour to make. I haven't rounded any corners. They sound superb. You're going to hear them now with the AO300 SMSL amplifier DAC. I'm using 40-watt exciters with new concept wire 12 gauge banana plugs. I want to show you quick what I do here when I want to test out these little exciters here. Okay, what I do is I just build a board here real quick, as you see, and so it just holds the board. See, it's just a platform there with a little groove in it, and then you can adjust the size of the board that you want to use too, of course, when you get ready to then you can just move your screws around here. Like I say, when you get ready to test different material for the exciters. There, I got my first exciter mounted right there. This is the exciter I'm using right here. Should be able to see that easy. Of course, I've got some connectors on there, as you see. 12 gauge wire, new concept, and I'm just using regular banana plugs. Okay, onto the back of my AO300 SMSL. Okay, let's take a quick listen here, right there.
Who draws the crowd and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down.
As you can see, this will go mighty, mighty loud. Now I'm going to work on my other panel.
Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn her back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn her back around. Said I don't want to leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Baby, I got your number. Oh, and I know that you got mine. You know that I called you. I called too many times. You can call me, baby. You can call me anytime. You got to call me. Give me one reason to steer, and I'll turn right back around. When you're down and out, and you feel well worried, come on over to the place I want, and all your loneliness I'll try to see you. I'll play the blues for you. Don't you be afraid, babe.
come on, yeah. You might want to call some of your friends. All your loneliness I've tried to see you. I play the blues for you. I'm not a big man, baby. I'm not a big star. But I'll play the blues for you on my guitar. And all your loneliness I try to see you. I'll play the blues for you. I'm not a big man, babe. I'm not a big star. But I play the blues for you on my guitar. And all your love